Assalamualaikum student, welcome back. So we are at the end of the week and this is the last video of this week. So let's revise what we have done in this week. So basically this is a review of whatever we have just done in this lesson yet. So what is science? We were talking about the science and we talk about that science is a systematic study of nature and how it's affect our environment. The science of study of science involves the human beings, the techniques that human beings are use, the method that human beings are use, and we talked about technology. Then technology like the smartphones and space, laptops, right? And how we can prepare food and how we can move from one place to another, from even one country to another country, or even in space. Okay, and how can we get the benefit of technology and how we can use science in our daily life. Okay, so after that we studied some branches of science, right? We studied that there are 5 branches of science: biology, chemistry, physics, astronomy, and geology. We studied that the biology is study of living thing, chemistry is the study of substances, physics is study of matter, energy, and I already told you about that energy is almost like light. Okay, so we are going to study light and physics. Astronomy is the study of stars. So we studies Mars, what kind of surface Mars has, and other stars. So this all the study that is going in space. That is the study of astronomy. And geology is basically study of Earth. I already told you about that Earth. And lastly, we talked about the limitation of science, that we just can't stop the earthquakes or tornado to be happen because these are natural disaster. We can't stop the natural disaster to be happen, but we can reduce the damages that are caused by natural disasters, right? And we see the uses and misuses of science, that there are technology, we are using technology in very well way, but we sometimes misuse technology. For example, if we have a cell phone, a smartphone, then we are using it day and night, and that is really not good for us, because it produce some harmful rays that are not good for your eye, right? So you can have effect on your eyesight because of using excess of smartphone. Similarly, if you are using smartphone, you are using laptop, you are increasing your watching hour, and you are decreasing your sleep hour, that is also not a good thing. Okay, so this is about the this weekend. And on weekend I do have a little presentation for you to prepare. So you have to prepare a presentation on a topic: advantage and disadvantage of science and technology. I already share you some useful material about some videos, and already there are many advantages and disadvantages are written in your book as well, so you can concern your book, even you can concern the internet. So you will research on the given topic. This the research will enhance your critical thinking. So you have to reproduce the things. You just can't do the things like copy pasting. You can't copy paste the things, but you have to reproduce the things, and you can learn the innovative thing, because we were doing science, and you know science and technology, and you know the technology is the thing that you can discover many new things, right? We were talking about that from the last lecture, and even in this lecture we were talking about the technology. You can discover new things, you can use internet, you can have a huge source like Google and other stuff, so you can make a very good presentation on it. And lastly, it will develop your presentation skills. Okay, so you have to prepare a presentation, advantage and disadvantage of science and technology, and you have to submit that presentation to me. Okay, so I'll check and I'll grade the presentation as well. So the presentation should be very good. It can be a PowerPoint presentation. You can write it by yourself. It's up to you. Okay, so it can be like a PowerPoint, a printed thing, or you can write it by take a picture of that and just send it to me. Okay, or you can paste the picture on it. Advantages or disadvantages, you can have a comparison, you can have a flow chart, you can go whatever you want to, just creatively think and creatively prepare a presentation. Best of luck for your presentation. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.